All right, so it's done. We're about to eat, but I'm gonna show you how it is first. Okay, you can cut it with the pizza knife if you really want, but it's so crunchy. This one just came out literally, and this one came out maybe like 2 minutes ago, so I'll cut both of them a little bit just so you can see. Oh, so hot. So I wanna show you under, what's under, just, and then I'm gonna show you this one as well. Some people flip this like that, and then in the store, and then they cut it like this into pieces, but it's hot now. It has to be like warm. Oh, see how hot it is? This is potato, and it's done. The potato is done inside, as you can see. It is so good. Let me lift this up so I can show you. It's hot. Oh, I can't hold it anymore. All right. And then I'm going to show you this one. As I told you before, we're Bosnians and we eat with hands. Okay. Look. And it's hot. Oh. Wow. It's hot, but it's the best if you eat while it's hot. It's like you're wrestling with your own food. It's really good. Try it. Let me know what you think. If you like it, like and subscribe. Bye. Today we're gonna make potato pie. It's gonna be a really good pie. And that's it. So we only need the flours, half of this, whatever you call that, and salt. Then now we're gonna use warm water to make a dough for a pie. We're making a potato pie today, and all we need in this for this dough is a salt, flour, and warm water. And we're not gonna make it dough to be too hard. It's gonna be a soft dough. Just make sure to mix it very well, the flour and water, to make a nice texture mixture, however you call it. I'm just gonna make two. Clean my hands so I can mix it better with the hands. It gets sticky when you have the dough on your hands. All right. Another one. Now you put a little oil on top of it. And I already cut the potato. Now I'm gonna go cut the onion, because in potato we put 2 pieces of onions. And I'll be back. And I need more oil. Fun part. Oh. Wait, a little bit more flowers, because it's getting sticky. This is good enough. Put some oil there. Same thing. Hi, baby. Cut the corners. Stretch it to make it thinner. Look how long it is. Like a long snake. Look at that throughout the whole table, see? So wherever you see that it's thick, too much potato, just go like that. Now we're adding to fill in this pan, and then we can continue into another pan. And this is a potato pie. You can really make in small circles, but with the potato, I like it like this, like a snake. And then there's just a little bit left here, so I'm just gonna add, see, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna get this other one. See how quick, easy. This one is not full, but it's okay. Like this. And then on top of it, you just pour some oil. You put 2 fingers right here, so it's not a lot coming out. And just like that. Make sure to get each of this. And then here's them.